Okay, it says ready. All right, so you want to talk to my manager?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to put him on the line here. Oh, jeez. Hang on, give me just a second. The phone, you see, because I had to put you on hold with the computer now. The computer, it's on the screen, a touch screen, and it doesn't always work. Like I said, we just started this system here. And that might be why there's some confusion here. Why? Oh, I found it. Here we go. Hello?
Oh,
Mr. Ken?
Pardon?
Yeah, I've got an asshole customer here on the line who's giving me a big fucking hard time. Can you talk to her, please? Get off my fucking line.
Whoa. Who taught you to have those kind of customer service skills?
I'll send you the info in Messenger. She's a bitch. She won't leave me the hell alone. She's mad because of the Mogulus.
I can hear you. Excuse me?
Oh, I thought I put her on hold.
I can hear your...
Hang on. Let me put you on hold real quick.
No.
Yeah, I didn't have her on hold. She's such an asshole. Hey, will you just talk?
I'm still on the phone.
She's one of those bitches that sent their photos to the wrong department, and now they're bitching about us not having them ready on time.
Hang on, I'm going to take her off a hold. Hello, ma'am. Thanks for holding.
Yes.
I'm sorry for the wait. I've got my supervisor, Ken, and I brought him up to speed about what happened. He's going to help you out. Go ahead.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
I understand you're having some issues with your photos not being ready on time. Is this correct?
That is not exactly correct. No.
Okay, why don't you go ahead and let me have your side of the story there, and we'll try to figure out a solution here.
Yeah, and I'm very upset about this phone call because I feel like there's something seriously wrong with this system.
Yeah, what had happened? I mean, looking at the system, it looked like instead of actually clicking your store over on Randolph Ave, you selected the central location in Iowa, and so they were sent out there.
Well, that's not the email I got back, so...
Well, the problem is, I can go ahead and send those pictures to you, but they're not going to be available for about 2 weeks. Because what I have to do is I have to reprocess them through the Iowa Center, and then I have to ship them off. Unfortunately, they're going to go through Texas, and then they're going to come back up through Tennessee. They're going to take about 2 weeks. And that's just the process that we handle when we have, asshole customers on the line that don't fucking click the right buttons.
What's your company called?
Yeah, this is incorporated. I mean, it's kind of ridiculous. I can see how you click the wrong button. You don't even know what system you sent the photos through.
No, I have a full confirmation. You
do?
Yeah. All right.
It's kind of silly. It must have been one of those buttons at the bottom that you should have clicked.
What is your...
Would you like my employee ID number? I can give you that.
No, thank you.
Nope. Okay. Is there anything else I can help you with? Is there some naked pictures you could possibly offer me? I would definitely like those to come through our call center.
She's gone. All right.
She told you he was deleting the pictures. I think they're really important and she'd get mad.